Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
We have wetter days ahead this week, and I don't know about you, but I'm hoping it cools us down a little bit, Ivan, please.
Yeah. Something's got to at this point, right? It's not going to be a cold front. It's going to be a while before we track those. But yeah, absolutely. We're at least going to have at least more shade and more thunderstorms to begin to cool us off. In fact, that happened already today. It's 101. That's what it feels like. The air temperature is 90. But earlier this afternoon, we had temperatures that soared to about 105. That's the way it felt outside. And then we got a little thunderstorm moving through, and that kind of knocked us down. But we're back up. The humidity calls the shots this time of year, and with temperatures that have been in the low 90s since we began the months, and as we ended August, this continues to be quite above average. And remember, we tied for the second warmest August on record here, at least in Miami. They're the thunderstorms that I've been talking about. They've been firing close enough where some of those boundary have been pushing east, and that's what I'm going to look for tonight, because sometimes that can create additional storms that kind of backtrack towards the coast here. So that could be an issue as we head through later tonight. Nothing severe, but certainly something you'll pay attention to, because they could have some significant downpours with them. So in the next 3 hours, model doing a nice job of depicting where the storms are right now. And we'll put that into motion and be able to see that movement right towards 95 here, and that would be between 7 and 9 o'clock. Before then, we shut things down for the evening through the overnight, and then we'll get back into the kind of similar pattern tomorrow, but begin to switch over. As we talked about, a more southerly flow will take over, going to pump in a lot more moisture here. And these thunderstorms, look at this, how they fire just to the west of the coast, move that further east, and it'll be on top of the beaches, I think, by the time we get into a Wednesday, and particularly Thursday and Friday, as things kind of switch up on us here. We need the rain, we need the cool down, as we talked about, and that's going to be coming here as our storm chances will be on the increase between Thursday and Friday, as that moisture begins to work its way in here. And we're looking forward to that change. It's going to bring us, I think, some significant rainfall, which, as you know, we need. We ended the month terribly with well below normal average numbers as far as the precip. Next 3 days go this way. Tomorrow morning, as we head into the afternoon, you'll see the showers and thunderstorms again bubbling up closer to the coast, and that's going to continue throughout the day before everything does push off towards the west initially through the afternoon, and then a lot more coverage heading into Thursday here. We are not going to get bypassed this time around along the coast. That will be the case as well for Friday. So keep that in mind. We got some good rain coming. We're just going to have to wait a couple more days, transition tomorrow into a wetter pattern, and then back into Thursday and Friday. There are the rain chances for the remainder of the afternoon for tomorrow between 3 and 6 o'clock. I think we'll start firing storms. That continues for us, but just, greater coverage by Thursday, Friday, 60%, and then around 50%. Same deal, though, for Saturday and Sunday, with lots of storms in the afternoons.